In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accessible navigation on WordPress. This is a simple tutorial that's perfect for beginners looking to enhance their website's usability and accessibility. Accessible navigation is crucial as it ensures that all users, including those with disabilities, can navigate your site easily. Let's dive in and start the process on your WordPress dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account. This is important because you need access to the admin panel to make any changes to your site. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu of options. We're going to focus on the Appearance tab, so go ahead and click on that. The Appearance tab is where you can manage themes, customize your site, and configure widgets, which makes it the perfect place to start for navigation updates. After clicking on Appearance, the next step is to find the option labeled Editor. This feature is sometimes known as the Theme Editor and is your gateway to modifying how your site's design elements function. So click on Editor to proceed. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the tab that says Patterns. Patterns are pre-designed layouts you can use and customize to fit your needs. They streamline the design process, which can be particularly useful for beginners looking to implement new features. Within Patterns, you'll want to select Header. This is where your navigation menu is most commonly located and can be adjusted to ensure optimal accessibility. Click on Header, and you'll be directed to another customization panel. In this view, you'll see an option called Plus Icon. This icon allows you to add new elements to your header, a crucial step for implementing your navigation. After clicking on the plus icon, you'll see a search bar where you can start typing. Type the word navigation into this bar. Upon typing, you should see an option for navigation appear. This option is the block you need for adding accessible navigation to your site. Click on Navigation. It's a simple action, but a crucial one, as this block automatically integrates itself into your header, creating a seamless and consistent user experience. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully added an accessible navigation menu to your WordPress site. This menu will automatically appear on your site, allowing users to browse your content more easily. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards ensuring that all potential visitors can enjoy and interact with your website. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to make your site more accessible and user-friendly.